Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to allow individual apps to access your camera on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result should go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go down and select the privacy tile. And then on the left side underneath app permissions, you want to select camera. And where it says camera access at the top, make sure it's toggled to the on position and that apps can access your camera is also toggled on. And then by scrolling down, you can adjust individual app settings now, toggling them on or off depending if you want to allow them access to your camera, as well as for desktop apps down here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.